हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ डू आई अटेम्प्ट माई कॉन्ट सेक्शन। दोस्तों, कैट एस्पायरेंट सबसे ज्यादा कॉन्ट के सेक्शन के लिए तैयारी करते हैं एंड देयर आर मल्टीपल स्ट्रेटेजीज अवेलेबल। क्या क्या स्ट्रेटेजीज है, चलिए ट्राई करते हैं समझने के लिए। ठीक है, पहला स्ट्रेटेजी है दैट इज फॉलो द सीक्वेंस। दैट मीन्स, ठीक है, आपके सामने जिस तरीके से कैट के क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, जिस तरीके से कैट के पेपर ने आपके लिए सेट किया हुआ है, आप उसी तरीके से उसको फॉलो करते हो। दैट मीन्स यू आर गोइंग थ्रू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस इन द सेम सीक्वेंस दैट अपीयर्स इन द कैट एग्जामिनेशन फॉर यू. You try to solve all the questions sequentially. This method works for those people who have covered all the topics, all the syllabus of CAT. ठीक है, but remember, in this particular strategy, you may possibly get stuck up in a particular question and thereby ending up, ठीक है, in, you can say, not solving a lot of easy questions which are going to come up to you at a later stage. Okay, so that's first approach. Second approach or the second strategy is you try and see the question, you solve the problems in the sequence that are both easier and quicker to solve you and skip the rest of them. So that means what you do, you take the first round, you try and solve all the easy questions first, complete all of them, then you go back to once again those questions which you have skipped or you thought they are the tougher questions for you. That's a second round. So in a way, this is, you can say, round based approach. Round 1, all the easy questions. Round 2, the questions wherein you find them difficult, you couldn't solve them, and that's what you try and carry out. Some of them may possibly get, you can say, time for the third round as well. I believe generally in 2 rounds in 40 minutes will be really possible. Okay, ठीक है. Obviously this approach has its own flaw. You are not required to blindly follow this particular approach. Or the third, you can say, strategy is you attempt all the questions that you like and you skip rest of them. That means you follow the approach of your favorite. Okay, now obviously you are solving only few questions. Quite often than not, you can find the questions from your favorite topic becoming very tough in the examination. You spend a lot of time trying to crack those. This method is definitely not a foolproof method. So, I will not recommend this method to you. Okay, the fourth strategy is you try to skip as many questions as possible and try to attempt only those questions where you are sure of, where your confidence level is very good. Okay, so that means you are attempting less number of questions, but you are attempting only those questions where you are very sure of. Okay, so my dear students, I believe these 4 different strategies are going to help you to get a more clarity about how do I attempt my quant paper. Which one is good for you? Tell me that in the comment section so that I will be in a position to understand what is there in your mind. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.